some swing already. Good atmosphere. Welcome, Arun Lal.
A little bit of moist freshness on the surface.
Outside Arjun, no, he's got it. He has. India, big one. Gambhir at second slip. They're corner on the second chance, and already a big punch has been thrown by India in the first over again.
Well, what a start. Irfan Pathan has come to the party again. Beautiful movement. He had to play it. It was angled into him, swinging away late, the outside edge, a wobble, but he hung on, the youngster. God, he must have had his heart in his mouth for a moment. But aren't they ecstatic? Got rid of Salman Butt for naught. Pakistan are 1 for none.
Magnificent shot. Cameron Akmal. Big hit, this might be out. It's high, they're getting underneath it. Kaif, he's got it. Big wicket. Big wicket, he dropped him earlier, and now he's got him. Afridi's gone. Well, to take you through the wicket here, I just can't believe he's gone for a big one. Big outside edge, and he can't believe he's thrown it high up in the air. It's gone forever. The thing's got cheese on it, and he's taken it easily. So, Mohammad Kaif, he knew he made a mistake earlier, but by gee, another big wicket there for India. Shahid Afridi's gone for 19, and now Pakistan 39 for 2.
Another upper drive, another 4. It whistled away to the boundary in no time. That smashed hard now. This is his business zone, Kamran Akmal. He thrives in this area.
That could be out. It is. Again, the batsman looking to play towards the onside and the leading edge taken. RP Singh truly has come back in this over.
Adjusted the length nicely there by RP Singh. Wasn't really the ball to get a wicket, but lucky there. Kamran Akmal a bit too eager. Goes the face of the bat, bit too early. Leading edge. No problem there for a mid-off fielder Irfan Pathan there. And another big blow to the Pakistanis. Kamran Akmal goes for 34. Pakistan 75 for 3.
Excellent delivery. And he gets another. That was a beautiful delivery. Just kept going instead of swinging back in.
Well, a huge wicket here. That one didn't really come back. The last couple of deliveries just came back a little bit. This one just went through with the arm. And a big wicket. India on a roll. 4 down. Muhammad Yusuf could only finish his 7,000 here. 1 gone for 1, 82 for 4.
There you go. Finally, we've got a boundary. Pakistan, the skipper, starts to...
He's too good a player. It's taken and gone. Inzamam-ul-Haq will walk. It's Sachin Tendulkar who has given India a lot of boost with that prize scalp of Inzamam-ul-Haq.
Well, the golden arm did the trick. Little gentle outswinger there in Inzamam-ul-Haq, looking to guide that to the third man. Once again, a little fumble there, but taken. Huge wicket for the Indians. And look at that, Sachin knows the importance of this wicket. Captain goes. Pakistan's 5th wicket down. Inzamam-ul-Haq gone for 16, 128 for 5.
50 for Shoaib Malik. His 3rd of the series. Hat-trick of 50s. And he's emerged as a leading scorer for Pakistan. Smart player. Very, very good one-day player.
Whenever he's been asked to bat, wherever he's been asked to bat, whatever number, he's always come up good.
Oh! Played it fine, Yunus Khan. He'll get a 4, even though this outfield is not as quick as it was during the test match. Still
That's 4. That is 4. That's a good delivery. No slip there.
Edge and gone. Dhoni takes a neat catch. RP Singh strikes again. What a game he's having. It's Yunus Khan who goes back to the pavilion. In-form batsman. Once again picked up early by India.
Little bit of an extra kick from the pitch. He banged that one in. It was a little too close to Yunus Khan. And looking to guide it to the third man. Another one gone. Pakistan 158 for 6. Yunus Khan gone for 16.
That's gone. Picked it up very well. Slow delivery. But he saw it.
Outside edge, lacks a fortune. Will go away for 4. He's under 98.
Well, I don't think he's thinking about...
Beautiful shot, that'll be it. That'll be his 100. By Junior Dag will be proud.
What a shot to get his 100. And the whole crowd on their feet. Well-deserved 100. Played beautifully. Took Pakistan out of some trouble. And look at the dressing room.
Oh, good shot there. Should be 2 at least. Oh, what about 4? Oh, I can't believe how hard he hit that. He is such a good hitter at this part of the game. No boundary is safe. There they are. It's in the air. Should be caught. Should be caught. And it is. Skipper takes a catch, Rahul Dravid. They get the important wicket. Shoaib Malik's out. Pakistan have lost their 6th wicket.
A very much needed wicket here for the Indians. Another beautifully bowled slow delivery from Irfan Pathan. Checked him, giving himself room, looking to hit for a big one, looking for a 6 there. And an easy catch. Well judged catch. It was up in the air for a long time. Rahul Dravid must have been a happy man. Important wicket gone. Shoaib Malik got the first 100 in this series. 108 gone. 244 for 7.
Oh, what about hit it over there for a big one? Yes, it is. That's the 6er. It's hit the rope. It'll go on the 4. The rope is the 6. The second 6 for the innings.
Falling there.
There it is again. Going. Gone. 50 up to Razak.
Well, if you...
And they're running. They have to run. And he had to run. I don't know what he was staying for. He had to get Razak on strike, but great piece of work by RP Singh. Throws the stumps down from side on. Greg Chappell will be wrapped in him.
I don't think Pakistan will mind that, but what a great piece of fielding there. Look at that. One stump to aim and bang. Another wicket down. That's the 8th one gone. You always feel good when you hit one stump. Rana Naveed goes for 7. Pakistan 277 for 8.
4. Inside out, over cover, Viv Richards like. Slow ball, double base hit. He has to run 2 no matter what, Arafat. Must run, he must run. And he makes it down. They threw the wrong end. They're going to go to the 3rd umpire. There had to be a sacrificial run out there to keep Razak on strike. Picks the ball up. You've run through to the wrong end. If you look there, there's no one there at the bowler's end. It's going to be close here, and he makes it. Well, little sacrificial plays like that, you have to keep Razak on strike, and he has to do it again. No matter what, they must try to get 2 of this last ball. Going! Gee, I thought he got all of it. It was only half going, but they keep running. They've got 2. They have to run one more, don't they? And they did it. Oh, and he's in a bit of trouble too. Yuvraj down there, but that'll complete the innings here. 11 off the last over. He's got one in the midriff there, and he's not happy. But it's 288 for 8. And Razak has played beautifully there.
Oh, bowling round his legs. Well, Gautam Gambhir was struggling, definitely struggling, and in the end, Mohammad Asif gets just reward for getting it right.
He's a sensation in this part of the world. Mohammad Asif has this fantastic ability of picking up wickets early. And Gautam Gambhir again getting a little too across on his front leg, just clipping the thigh pad and going on to the stumps. Bundle of joy is this man. He's provided the much needed breakthrough. Gambhir gone for 2, India 12 for 1.
Oh, that's a quick one now. Is that taken? Is that taken? Yes, it has. Mohammad Asif strikes again, and he's energized the Gaddafi Stadium crowd here. What a delivery. Quick and on target.
You can't blame Pathan. It was too good a delivery to survive. When you're just in, good thinking. Surprised the batsman with the short delivery. The batsman couldn't get out of the way. Pathan was the man. Great catch again by Kamran Akmal. He's a terrific young fast bowler, Mohammad Asif, and he's proving it yet again today here at the Gaddafi Stadium. India 12 for 2.
With and 4.
Down to third man, over his head. I think
And cop that. Don't drop me or I'll belt you. Again, runs it down. And that'll be his 72nd one-day international 50. Beautiful knock.
Tremendous. Under the circumstances, tough beginning for India. Ball moving, Pakistan on top, 2 quick wickets. Sachin Tendulkar has had a little bit of luck though, mind you. But he's still there, and that's what's important. And 72nd, is it? And 3900. So, mind you, his conversion rate is better than 1 in 3. So, less than 1 in 3 times he goes on to convert that.
Go. And that'll be 4 more to Rahul Dravid. He joins the Tendulkar show.
Well, I can't help but get the feeling that...
Another single chance for a run out. If he hits, he might be in trouble. He might be in trouble. Direct hit. We're going to the third umpire. Umar Gul. I think he knows he's gone. He's worked it to the leg side, and again he's thrown down the stumps. Let's have a look. He hits. Is he in frame? He's gone. A big wicket there for Pakistan. This game is in the balance.
Well, suddenly Pakistan are back with a bang. Just what they required. Very cross with himself, Rahul Dravid, as he should be. His call, misjudged it completely. Just didn't have the power in his legs to reach him to the other end. 22 to Dravid. It's now 84 for 3.
So again, a punchy drive. Well, nobody moved. Wow, that really is something special from... He's played it fine, Sachin Tendulkar. I think it probably brushed the gloves of the...
this man is batting so well. He's timing his strokes so well. Not the best of shots, but he'll get 4 for it. And here are Shiva and Dean Jones.
Out. 95, they've got another wicket. This game's not over. Razak picks up the important wicket of Sachin Tendulkar. You just thought there was another 100 beckoning. Oh, that's a big wicket for Pakistan.
And suddenly the crowd erupts. The Pakistan team in a huddle. This man again, Abdul Razak, picking up Tendulkar at a very critical time. He sliced it, Tendulkar trying to hit it too hard. Low catch to Imran Farhat, the substitute fielder. And isn't he a bundle of joy? He realizes the importance of this wicket. Tendulkar had played extremely well for his 95. Takes the long walk back. He'll be a disappointed man. It's 189 for 4.
Huge shout, and given. They're in the game now, Pakistan. Oh, what a wicket. Umar Goal strikes again. Oh, that's a big wicket.
Again, wasn't happy. Mohammad Kaif. Did he get an inside edge? I don't think so. That was plumb as you can get. Clipping the bails. It's a very, very good decision by Asad Rauf. Took his time. Decided, yes, it was going to clip the top of off stump. Difficult one to give, but he does an extremely good job, the umpire. Kaif gone for 0. India 190 for 5.
That's up in the air. That's clear in Zamamul Haq with a lot of ease. On the bounce into the boarding holes. And Dhoni is... Well, that's gone through. Yasir Arafat feeling the pressure. Well, that's crashed. That ball will whistle away for a 4. Dhoni is ruling the roost. India's 250 has been... Shot one, it's been put away for another 4. Dhoni's gone to 50. Shot one's been dealt with severely once again through square leg. In the gap and 4. Nothing can stop Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He's unstoppable.
6 to win, Arun. 6 to win. Is he thinking about it? Not quite. But he will get 4. Just another couple of runs needed. It's 287 for 5. Just a single. Scores level. Leg buys, I suspect. It is a leg buy. A leg buy ties the scores. And the entire Indian squad, management, reserves, physiotherapist, everyone out on the balcony. And they're all smiling. They know the result. He's got hold of it, Dhoni. And that's it. It's all over. Ends it with a boundary. India's 11th successful chase in a row. They have won by 5 wickets, India.
Well, another command performance by India. Lots to think about for Inzamamul Haq. Right from the toss, India, apart from those drop catches, have really played well here. Pakistan looked like springing a surprise with the new ball when they started with Mohammad Asif and Umar Gul, but it wasn't to be. But these two, 102 of just 79 balls, this partnership really just took it away. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni, well, he can smile, as he should.
Well played, yeah.
Fantastic partnership between the two gentlemen, Yuvraj Singh and Mahendra Singh Dhoni. As I said, take absolutely nothing away from Yuvraj Singh, although he didn't really score a lot of runs in the latter stages of this innings, but he knew what was required of him. He knew with Dhoni batting the way that he was batting, it was not necessary for him to be scoring rapidly. And they brought it home with overs to spare. They now lead the series 2-1, India.